Welcome to Study Loop.
We're going to round angles and sides both to the nearest tenth here. So we have triangle ABC, where angle B is 115. This is not to scale. Angle A is 10. Side B is 18. To solve, we're going to need to find side A, angle C, side C. All right, so here we go. Let's find, using the law of sines, side A. We can say that side A to the sine of its opposite angle is equal to side B over the sine of angle B. Cross multiply the sine of 10 degrees and we're solved for A. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and then we can calculate 18 sine 10 over sine 115. And that's 3.4 to the nearest tenth. Angle C, if there's 180 degrees in a triangle, and we know both of them. One is 115 and the other is 10. That leaves 55 degrees for angle C. And then side C would be side C over the sine of angle C equals, I'll use the B pair again, so I'll say 18 over sine 115. So cross multiply the sine 55 degrees and we're solved for C. So 18 sine 55 over sine 115 is 16.3 to the nearest tenth. In the next scenario, we've got angle C at 82 degrees, angle B at 34 degrees. We need to find the measure of angle A. We know side A is 5.6. We need to find side C and side B. Well, to find the measure of angle A, that'd be 180 minus the 82 and 34 that we know. That's leaving 64 degrees for the measure of angle A. Now we can do the law of sines. To find side B, we can say side B over the sine of angle B is equal to side A over the sine of angle A. Cross multiply the sine 34, and we're solved for B. 5.6 sine 34 over sine 64. To the nearest tenth, that's 3.5. And we can find C in a similar fashion. We can say C over the sine of angle C, 82 degrees, is equal to side A over the sine of angle A. Cross multiply the sine 82. So 5.6 sine 82 over sine 64 is 6.2 to the nearest tenth. Last one. Angle B is 79 degrees. Side A is 55. Side C is 32. So we'll need to find the measure of, we'll need to find side B, the measure of angle A, and the measure of angle C. Now we cannot use the law of sines in this instance. We'll have to defer to the law of cosines to find side B. B squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus 2 times the product of the other two sides times the cosine of angle B, which is 79 degrees. Square root both sides, and we're solved for B. This just needs to go into the calculator. The square root of 55 squared plus 32 squared minus 2 times 55 times 32 times the cosine of 79 degrees is about 58.1. Now we can use the law of sines to find the measure of angle A. We can say that the sine of angle A over its opposite side, 55, is equal to the sine of 79 degrees over its opposite side. Cross multiply the 55, and then the measure of angle A would be the inverse sine of 55 sine 79 over 58.1. Back to the calculator. Inverse sine of 55 sine 79 over 58.1, we get 68.3 to the nearest 10th. And there's 180 degrees in a triangle. We know one of them we just found to be 68.3, and the given one was 79. That leaves 32.7 degrees for angle C.